Okay, so anyone who knows me knows that I pack for trips early because I get stressed and pack things I don't need if I wait until the last minute. So I'm packing for Banff, and I feel like I've read a lot of blogs and they're kind of helpful, but I live in Houston most of the time and it's very hot down here, obviously during the summertime, so having to pack long sleeved clothing of any kind during the summer months has been a little stressful. So I'm just going to go over what I'm packing for Banff, so in case it just helps other people in the summertime, and then I'll do a recap after the trip to let you know if I packed too much or too little. So yeah. Okay, to start, I'm taking just two bags. They're both crossbodies, which are very in and popular right now. This one is from Anthropologie, and of course the Lululemon belt bag. I'm also taking this lined bag that can hold like some suits or wet clothes or anything, because we are going to be doing some water events while we're in Banff. These are like my outer layers, since it is going to be cooler in the evenings and the morning. So I have a Patagonia zip up, a knitted sweater, and then like a Lululemon sweatshirt. I don't have a vest and I don't have like a puffy jacket, so hopefully this will be enough. Some sports bras, because we're just going to be doing lots of activities, a couple of swimmies for hot springs, and then when we go whitewater rafting, I got 3 pairs of hiking socks, and then some short socks for when we're probably just running about town. I have about 5 shirts, which is a combination of sleeveless and sleeved cotton and like performance shirts for all of the activities during the day. A pair of jean shorts. These are my night clothes, a couple of shorts and tank tops, and then a sweater to go over. 3 pairs of leggings, joggers, 2 pairs of like running shorts or hiking shorts. I don't really know what the difference is, but hopefully those will work. And then some long sleeved sweaters. These are like rash guards underneath for when we do the wet activities. And then these are like 2 Athleta kind of Old Navy athlete tops, another sweater, and then of course a raincoat. Josh really wanted to go with the bright colors, so here we are with like coral pink. And then for the plane, some jeans and another sweater and layers, because it'll be like 100 degrees when we leave Houston, and who knows what we'll get when we land in Calgary. We're only going for 5 days, so that's the majority of it. We'll see how that goes.